T-Squad, gather round. This is part 4 of our series on moons and quasars. We found wonder, we learned the tools, and we brought the sky into daily life. Today, we ask a bold question. What future do we build with all this knowledge? I was told no one talks about this. Let us talk about it. Here is the road ahead, in plain words. 1. A small station in lunar orbit will act like a space harbor. Think of it as a meetup point that helps crews reach many places on the moon. 2. Surface camps will grow in layers. First, short visits with simple shelters. Then longer stays where crews test local resources. Water in sunlit soil can become air to breathe and fuel to fly. That is a quiet revolution. 3. Power and internet. Solar farms near bright ridges, and relay links that keep crews connected when they work in deep craters. A base is not just walls. It is light and data and trust. 4. Ethics and action. Use what we need. Leave clear records, and protect special sites like ancient landing grounds and rare icy shadows. Science first, footprints second. 5. Partnerships. Space is already a team sport. Agencies, companies, and universities will share risk and share wins. When the team gets bigger, the story does too. What does that mean for us? It means the moon moves from a postcard to a place we can visit, study, and learn from without losing respect. Let us keep it real about health. Gravity on the moon is about 1/6 of Earth. Muscles and bones need honest work to stay strong. Crews will train every day with smart resistance gear. That is gym class with math. Radiation is a constant. The fix is layers. Water walls, soil piled on top, smart routes that avoid the worst space weather, and vests for extra protection. Each layer turns risk down a little. Sleep will need careful light. Without the familiar 24-hour rhythm, crews will use warm lights in the evening and cool lights in the morning. That keeps melatonin honest and mind steady. Mood needs design. Windows to the outside, plants inside, music, and real-time calls with loved ones. A good habitat cares for the heart as much as the hardware. What we learn up there comes home. Better light at night for hospitals. Smarter exercise plans for elders. Safer storm alerts for pilots. Space gives us tools to live better on Earth. Quasars are far, but the tech we use to study them lands right in our hands. Imaging algorithms built for faint galaxies help doctors see tiny details in scans. Timing tools from observatories keep navigation systems and financial trades precise to fractions of a second. Big sky data pushes better machine learning that later sorts traffic, crops, and weather here on Earth. So when you hear about a quasar with a giant jet, remember this. The chase for ancient light trains us to solve hard problems at home. 3 easy ways to join the story. 1. Adopt a mission. Pick Europa Clipper or Dragonfly on Titan or the next moon step. Follow updates, share one thing you learned each week, and teach a friend. Teaching locks the knowledge in your own mind. 2. Contribute a little data. Meteor counts, aurora photos, or brightness measures from your street can help researchers see patterns. Your post may be one bright pixel in a big truth. 3. Keep a sky minute. Once a day, step outside for 60 seconds, look up, name one thing you see, let your nervous system settle. Wonder is free and it is medicine, quick and clear. The moon does not control people. It can nudge sleep before it is full, and that is all right. Plan for it and move on. Quasars do not change your mood. The sun can shape space weather near Earth, so we watch that. Calm beats fear every time. Space is not only for experts. Curiosity is a valid ticket. If you can ask a question, you can be part of this. Here is a picture to carry with you. A small crew steps into a sunlit plain near the lunar south. Their shadows fall long across dust as old as time. Inside their shelter are warm lights, a little garden, and a book on a small table that says Moons and Quasars. They are safe because people on Earth cared enough to learn, to test, and to build. Those people include teachers, coders, artists, medics, and listeners just like you. Small steps become safe steps. Safe steps become bold steps. Bold steps become new stories. Question: will we mine the moon? Answer: we will test careful use of local resources for air, water, and fuel. Think survival first and respect always. Question: can kids be part of this now? Answer: yes. Library clubs, telescope nights, coding camps, and citizen science are open doors. Start with 1 hour a week. Question: what one tool should I buy if I want to begin? Answer: a simple pair of binoculars. They are light, affordable, and perfect for the moon and for bright clusters. If Part 4 gave you a steady plan and a brave picture, share it with someone who needs both. Tell me in the comments which role you want to play in this future: teacher, builder, artist, or sky reporter. I was told no one talks about it. Let us talk about it. Until next time, keep your eyes up, your tea warm, and your curiosity louder than your fear.